Unit 4, Lesson 5. This lesson will be on CPCTC, which is corresponding parts of congruent triangles are congruent. So in this lesson, we'll write a triangle congruence statement that is a review from Unit 3. Write triangle proofs to prove parts of triangles are congruent. And write triangle proofs to prove other relationships. So first, let's review the 5 methods that we currently have. We have side, 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 angle, angle, side, angle, and angle, angle, side. We also have hypotenuse, leg, but that is only for right triangles. Okay, so we can't use that for any other kind. The other thing that we need to recall is corresponding parts refer to sides and angles, or angles, of a figure. Okay, corresponding does not necessarily mean congruence. However, it means that they are in the same place in each figure. So again, CA is in the same place as FD. FE is in the same place as BC, and so on and so forth in the other figures we have. So first things first, we're going to write a congruency statement. So remember in Unit 3, we identified corresponding parts from a given congruence statement, meaning that they had to be in the same order. So identify the corresponding parts of these triangles. Well, angle A corresponds to angle D. Angle B corresponds to angle E. Angle C corresponds to angle F. And if we look at sides, we have BC corresponds to FE. We have AB corresponds to DE. And that leaves AC corresponding to DF. So here they give us the parts that are congruent, and so we can see what the relationship is between them and which parts relate or are in the same place. So when writing proofs, we have to write our own congruency statements. And in order to do this, we must have the corresponding parts of each triangle written in the same order. Just like when they gave us the congruency statement, we could tell which parts were congruent by which order they were listed in. So we're going to do that ourselves, because we're not going to be given that in all scenarios. So here they give us UV and VK, so we know those parts are congruent. We do have a vertical angle here, so we know those angles are going to be congruent. And let's say we have this third side here. Again, notice that I'm putting 3 dashes for each angle opposite the side that I'm putting 3 dashes on. I put 1 dash here, and so the side opposite I put 1 dash. That will become useful later on. It may also help you with congruence. So let's say triangle VWU is congruent to triangle. Okay, well, V corresponds with itself in the other triangle, so I'm going to list V. W corresponds with M. They are both opposite the side with 2 dashes, so M is going to come next. And U has 3 dashes, and so does K, so K is going to come next. So again, the corresponding parts are listed in the appropriate order. So V and V correspond. U and K correspond. W and M correspond, and those are written in the appropriate order. So in the next example, try this on your own.